If you or your parents love tech, chances are you probably have a smart home device in your house. Some people like pairing their Alexa with a Fire TV, some prefer their Google Home and Chromecast, but regardless of what hub you are, the one thing we can all agree on is that smart home tech is amazing. So if you're looking to get into smart homes or simply spice yours up, then you're in luck, as today we'll be taking a look at 10 amazing smart home gadgets you need. Before we get started, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Google Nest Thermostat. Kicking off our list in the number 10 spot is the Google Nest Thermostat. A great choice if you're already using a Google Home. This device is not only sleek and energy efficient, but extremely useful. You can communicate to it through Google Home using voice commands to adjust the temperature at any point, or even set it up to change the temperature automatically depending on the time of day and/or weather outside. Truly a no-brainer for the smart home enthusiast, this device will cost you nearly $300. Number 9. Roomba. Coming in at number 9 is a Roomba. Another thing we'd consider a no-brainer. This little thing keeps your house looking clean all on its own, making sure you never have to touch a vacuum again. It routinely goes around your home collecting dust and debris, and even knows how to return itself to the charger so it doesn't end up dead in the middle of your living room. This device is great for keeping a clean home and even feels like a pet in a weird futuristic way. Getting one for your home is going to set you back about $1,000 though. Still cheaper than a kid. 8. Google Wi-Fi Mesh Routers. Coming in at number 8 are Google Wi-Fi Mesh Routers, or other mesh routers if Google isn't your thing specifically. These little gadgets have one simple task: improve the range and speed of your Wi-Fi. You simply plug one of them into your router and then place the other two, or more if you decide you need more, in your Wi-Fi's weak spots, and voila, your whole house has top-of-the-line internet speeds. If this sounds like something for you, a 3-pack from Google is just under $260. 7. Ring Video Doorbell. Coming in at number 7 is the Ring Video Doorbell. This device gives you a way to not only see who's at your door, but talk to and hear them as well. You can check your phone to see if it's just the Amazon delivery guy, or tell those annoying neighbor kids to get off your lawn without ever opening your door. One of the most unique features this futuristic device has, though, is facial recognition. You can set it up to allow certain people in the house automatically just by seeing their face. Never worry about forgetting your keys again. You can pick up the Pro version for just $200. 6. Husqvarna Smart Robot Lawnmower. Coming in at number 6 is the Husqvarna Smart Robot Lawnmower. Sort of the same concept as the Roomba. This robot is just on a much bigger scale. Guided by hidden boundary wires and ready to get work done whether it's sunny or pouring, this smart robot will keep your lawn looking pristine at all times without you ever having to worry about it. At the moment, it costs about $2,000 for one of these, so it really comes down to how much you think your time is worth or how much you hate doing yard work. Number 5. Philips Hue Lights. Coming in at number 5 are Philips Hue Lights. While these gadgets may not clean your house or expand your Wi-Fi, they definitely make your place look a lot more interesting and can have an effect on your mental state. Need to calm down? Set your room to a nice light blue and throw on some chill music. Want to spice up the atmosphere while gaming? Go ahead and change it to purple while you grind for legendary loot. This may be one of the most simple smart home gadgets, but it's still one of the best, and a great thing to start with when making your home smart. 4. Tile Bluetooth Lost Stuff Finder. Coming in at number 4 are tiles. Bluetooth devices meant to help you stop losing everything. Whether you misplace your keys constantly, never can find your TV remote, or spend every morning searching for your wallet, these little squares are for you. Simply connect them to your phone via Bluetooth and stick the tile on whatever it is you can't seem to keep track of. You can go into the companion app on your phone and click the tile corresponding to the item you lost, and it will make a loud, audible beep until located. It also has GPS tracking capabilities if you forgot something at a party that got too wild. You can get a pair for yourself for just $60. 3. Roku Streaming Stick. Kicking off our top 3 segment is the Roku Streaming Stick. Maybe you don't have a Google Home or Amazon Alexa, but you're still looking for that smart TV experience. Look no further than the Roku Streaming Stick. You plug it in right into the HDMI port on your TV, connect the remote, and get to streaming. This allows you to watch things like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and more on your TV without needing any bulky devices or external smart devices linked to it. Simplicity isn't its only selling point though, as it's also one of the cheapest streaming box options, coming in at just $50. 2. Philips Hue Motion Sensor. Coming in at number 2 is the Philips Hue Motion Sensor. We know this is the second time Philips has appeared on the list, but hear us out. With this light relying on motion, the possibilities are endless. You could make it display red lights outside when someone walks on your porch after a certain time, for example. You could even set it to turn on very dim lights when you walk in the bathroom in the middle of the night. If you fell in love with the Philips Hue bulbs and need this too, it's just $40. Number 1. Casa Smart Outdoor Plug. Coming in at number 1 is the Casa Smart Outdoor Plug. This device is basically a small surge protector meant to sit outside, but has smart capabilities such as scheduling when it gives power to whatever's plugged into it. This gives you the ability to turn things that weren't smart, smart. You could run the cable for your air conditioning unit out to one of these. For example, leave the unit on at all times, but schedule the plug to only give it power during the nighttime. This way, when it's time to go to bed, your room automatically starts getting colder for you. If you want one for your household, it's just $30. This concludes today's video on 10 amazing smart home gadgets you need. Do you already have any of these gadgets? Let us know how well it works in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.